Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use a Spaylater to pay your bills. So first thing that you should do here is you just have to open your Shopee application on your mobile device. Okay, and then after that, you just have to log in or sign up for an account. Then after that, right here on your home page, you'll be able to see these options at the top. So you just have to look for the load, bills, and travel. So simply tap on this one. That's right. And then here at the top, you have the buy promo, buy load, electricity, internet, and view all. So let's tap on the view all. So since we are going to use the Spaylater to pay our bills, so for example, we would like to pay our electricity. So all you have to do is to tap on that one. That's right. And then right here, you just have to select the biller. Okay, so for example, we have Meralco, and then I just have to type out right here the account number, so the 10 digits account number, and then of course the amount. Right here for the payment option, I am going to select the escalator. So make sure that your escalator is activated so you'd be able to use that. So after that, you just have to confirm your action. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.